Sewer cleaning applications can vary greatly from location to location, creating challenges for crews. Operators occasionally encounter manholes that require extending the hose long distances from the truck, across easements, or over unpredictable terrain. This can be made even more difficult if the operator is moving a hose filled with water. An important tip to remember is to purge all water out of the hose back into the water tanks prior to moving the hose. This can be done by using the optional recirculating port and optional air purge feature. With the hose empty, it is much easier for the operator to maneuver the hose over long distances, improving operator efficiency and reducing fatigue. For more helpful operational tips, contact an authorized Vactor dealer or visit Vactor.com.